Have you ever got tired of your messy wardrobe? Have you ever got struggled finding a shirt or a matching pant, belt or a tie or a missing pair of socks? You might have wondered where these little pieces go missing in the messy pile. If you agree to all of this, then it's high time to organize your wardrobe. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Happy Toppings by Teju. So today's video is all about how to organize men's wardrobe. In this video, I will show you how I organize my husband's closet. And also I'm going to share few tips and hacks that will help you maximize your wardrobe space and make it more functional and easy to maintain. Make sure you watch this video till the end. Without wasting any time, let's get started. This is our wardrobe where me and my husband share this together. The right one is mine, which you have seen in my previous video. And the left one is my husband's. Let's see the overall look of it. So before getting into this video, I would like to remind you an important step, that is decluttering. Always declutter things before you organize. I have explained it in detail how to declutter clothes in our previous video. I will leave a link in the description to make sure you check the video if you haven't watched it yet. Trust me, by the end of the process, you will own things only that you need. Coming to men's closet organization, it is important to remember these three things. Everything visible, easy to access and easy to maintain. Now let me give you a detailed tour of it. Let's start with top shelf first. I have hung all his t-shirts, shirts for easy access, and also I have utilized the space to the fullest. And I hung them according to the collar type and sleeve size, like collarless t-shirts, then collared t-shirts, half sleeves, full sleeves and then formal shirts. Next to this, I have used this hanger to hang his formal pants. This is the best organizer to maximize your storage space, where you can hang 3 to 4 pants on the same hanger. I will leave all the product links in the description below. Below this top shelf, we have a drawer over here. To utilize this space efficiently, I have used this foldable drawer organizer to store all the small items. In this first organizer, I have put all his undergarments and socks in these individual pockets. The best part is everything is visible and all the small things stay at one place. Next to this, I have used this organizer to store his vest. And all the miscellaneous small items like hand gloves, head caps, mask, handkerchiefs, etc. will go into this organizer. This foldable drawer organizer is perfect to store all the small items organized, and it comes in set of 4. Also, I have neatly labeled them for easy identification. Now let's move on to the bottom shelves. Here I have used these stackable baskets to store other frequently used items. I would like to say something here. Organization doesn't mean that you have to buy too many organizers. You can also utilize the cardboard boxes or any other baskets which you have already at home and repurpose it. The main intention is to make the space functional and organized. Now let's see how I have organized each basket. In the top 2 baskets, I have put all the nightwear, as these are the frequently used items. In the bottom 2 baskets, I have put occasionally and rarely used items. In the first basket, I have kept his nightwear t-shirts and vests. Also, all the clothes are folded in vertically stacking method. By folding in this way, everything is visible and it will not create any mess while using them or putting them back in the closet. In the other basket, I have put his nightwear shorts. Now let's move on to the bottom baskets. In this basket, I have put all his winter wear like gloves, sweater, raincoat, etc. And in the other basket, I have put all the extra bath towels folded in a file folding method. Next to this, I have this small basket where I have stored all his belts. And behind that, I have one more small basket where I have put all his goggles and watches for easy access. Now let's move on to the bottom shelf. This shelf is dedicated for his bottom wear. In this first basket, I have put all his jeans neatly folded. And in the next basket, I have kept all his joggers and occasionally used shorts. Next to this, I have this empty space over here. I utilize the space to store all the hand towels in this small basket. Now let me give you a quick tour. By having an organized and functional wardrobe, all the items will be visible, therefore it will be easy to access and saves a lot of time and make your life easy. Yeah, that's all about today's video. Hope you find this video helpful. Follow these simple tips and organize your wardrobe space. And if you do so, don't forget to tag me on Instagram handle Happy Toppings by Teju. And also please like, share and subscribe to our channel Happy Toppings by Teju. And also don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notifications of the next video. See you again. Bye bye.